How to collaborate with other Facebook pages. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page. Now go on the three bar icon on the top right and go ahead again and tap onto your profile. Here scroll below and let's add a post. Tap onto Reels and add a reel. Once you have done that, you will see more settings option at the bottom page. Expand that option and go to invite collaborator. Here you can either search the collaborator by their names or their profile URL. Now you can also search for their page URL. For instance, this is a page. Tap on done and go to share now. Now once your reel gets uploaded, they will receive an invitation to collaborate with. If they happen to accept the invitation, you're good to go. So that will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel.